Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python FrozenSet, which is unordered collection. So first of all, what is this FrozenSet collection in Python programming? So let us discuss some technical points related to this. So FrozenSet is unordered collection of elements. So frozen set elements are unique. It does not accept duplicates. Frozen set is immutable, which means adding, deleting, updating, modifications is not possible once it is created. Frozen set does not provide indexes. And frozen set is created using frozen set method. Right. For example, fset1 frozen set of I'm passing list as input parameter 11, 22, 33. So that list will be converted into frozen set as unordered collection. Similarly, fset2 frozen set function of I'm passing list as input parameter 1001 sci 6.2 true none. So frozen set is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And order is not preserved in frozen set collection. So here for frozen set function, we can pass any iterable collection of values as input parameter like tuple, list, set, range function, string, dictionary, etc. So first dictionary, it will take only keys and converts that into frozen set. And we can also use frozen set elements for processing with loops. For example, for x in fset1, print x. So one element from the frozen set will be assigned to the loop variable x and it will print it. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python frozen set example1.py. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So we'll do all cases one by one. Right. So first I'm creating a frozen set fset1 frozen set of. So I'm taking a list square brackets 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 11. So duplicate element 11 is not accepted. So print frozen set 1, print type of frozen set 1. So save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved this. So py python frozen set example 1. Right. So we got a frozen set with 33, 11, 44, 22 and 55. So frozen set elements are represented with curly brackets in frozen set function. Okay. Right. So here its elements are represented with curly brackets. Okay. Using frozen set function. Right. So if you see the program output frozen set function of set of values. So this set is frozen. It is immutable, and it is of type class frozen set. Next, second case, I'm taking a frozen set from tuple. Okay, so let us put comment for the first one. So frozen set of, so this is a tuple in circle brackets 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10. So 10 is duplicate value, it is not accepted. So run. So it will print a frozen set with 5 values. Curly brackets, frozen set 40, 10, 50, 20, 30. So it is of type class FrozenSet. So next, fset1 FrozenSet of. I'm taking another FrozenSet. I'm taking another set 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and again 15. So this set will be converted into FrozenSet. So save it, run. So we got a FrozenSet with only 5 values. Set is converted to FrozenSet. 15 is not accepted. Next case. So FrozenSet, I'm passing range function as input parameter. Range 1, 11. So it will generate a values from 1 to 10. 11 is not accepted. So save this and run. So we got a FrozenSet with only 10 values. Next, one last case. So FrozenSet fset1. So FrozenSet of string hello, HELLO. So we'll get only one L. So this is a FrozenSet OEHL. Duplicates are not accepted. So this is how we are supposed to convert other collection into FrozenSet using FrozenSet function with input parameter. Now I'm taking a FrozenSet with list of values, okay, of different data type. 1001 integer, psi, string, 6.2, float, true, boolean, none, which is no value. Right, so print fset1 type of fset1. Save it and run it. So FrozenSet with a set of values. True, 6.2, 1001, none, psi. So in FrozenSet, order is not preserved. Okay, next case, let us take a FrozenSet, okay, with a list of values 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and again 11. So print fset1. Right. So save this program. So this is our FrozenSet with 5 values. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Order is not preserved. Now here, I want to perform all these operations. Add 10, update 10, 20, 30, discard 11, remove 10, pop, clear. So all these operations are set operations which I'm applying on FrozenSet. So FrozenSet is immutable. You will get a error saying that add attribute or operation is not available in FrozenSet. It is a attribute error. Okay. So similarly, if I take update, I'll get attribute error. So FrozenSet does not have update attribute or method or function. Okay, so all these operations are applicable on set because set is mutable, but not on FrozenSet because it is immutable. So here we'll get attribute error. Reason, FrozenSet is immutable. Okay, so once it is created, we cannot add, modify, delete. So FrozenSet with loops for x in fset1, print x. So it will print all the values 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, but order is not preserved. 33, 11, 44, 22, 55. So next I'm taking FrozenSet with a dictionary type. Right. So first case it goes like this. FrozenSet fset1. So for this FrozenSet function I'm passing a dictionary as input parameter. Roll number 1001, name, psi, height 6.2. So it will take only keys. It will not take values. Roll number, name, height. and store that in fset1. Print fset1, type of fset1. Right, run it. So this is a frozen set with only set of keys. Height, roll number, name. Order is not preserved. Similarly, second case goes like this. Frozen set function with dictionary. So the dictionary what I'm passing here is 1001 Sai, 1002 Ram, 1003 Ali. It will take only 1001, 1002, 1003 as a set which represents frozen set. It is of type class frozen set. So this is how we are supposed to work with frozen set collection in Python programming, which is a unordered immutable collection. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.